In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on Kraken Pro. So what you're going to do, you're going to select your crypto pair, right? You can see BTC Prep or Perp or BTC USD, ETH USD. Just go ahead and select your trading pair, right? So in my case, I already have one, right? So if you want to buy, just make sure to enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. Let's say 27%, okay? And of course, based on that, you're gonna select or you're gonna set your TP and SL. So if you're buying, you're expecting a higher price, right? So if the market of, if the market price of Solana is 151, then you're expecting that you will take at least 160, 70, or 200, right? In some cases. And basically the SL or the stop loss means that you expecting the price will go down, but you don't want to actually lose that trade highly. So you want to stop the bleeding, as they say. Okay, that's if you're buying. But if you're selling, right, you're gonna enter the amount of Solana you want to sell, right, based on your funds. Okay, and based on that, you're gonna of course select the TP, and the TP will be less, obviously, right? So we're gonna say, or I'm gonna enter the percent, let's say 2%, right? And as for stop price, or in our case, if the price go down, it means that we're gonna earn. So we're gonna say 25%, right? So if the price goes down, it means that I'm gonna lose at least 2%. If the price, or if the stop price, it means that if the price goes down, I will earn at least 25%. So basically, you can enter the amount of Solana or the amount in USD if you want to buy couple, or few part, or take a slice of Solana, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.